So that center of gravity stuff is what we're going to have to work on for you. But that's something that I will work with you on as you build your intensity of your exercise. You get me? Relax me, relax me, relax me. And it's not only an awareness, so I wanted to show it to you so that you can see it, but it's also a structuring in the body. So your brain does not know how to arrange, just this hand. Okay. Your brain does not know how to arrange it the right way. So you and I are going to have to retrain the brain to be able to do that.
Okay.
But that was some good job, my friend.
No, it was good. I mean, I did manage to push a bit of
I'm impressed, my friend.
And when I do arms, it's no longer pinching as well.
I'm excited.
Because when with the arm curl standing, it's all like I'm going on a nerve.
So what you're going to do is you're going to take this hand, you're going to put it up to here.
Up to here.
That's it. And then you're going to take this hand and you're going to put it to the back pocket. Good. Yeah. Right. And then go again. To the head. Good. To the back pocket. Good. To the head. Good. To the back pocket. Good. To the head. Good. To the back pocket. Good. To the head. Good. To the back pocket. Good. To the head. Nice and relax. Nice. Stunning. Good. So we're going to do it again. I would have to work quite specific here. Right, let's do that. So when you go to the back pocket, my leg is already on your back pocket. So you're going to try and touch my leg. Go, let's see. Yes, that's perfect. And then you go to your head, okay? Okay. This leg stays there. Yes, okay, I got you. Back pocket. Good. And head. Good. Back pocket. Good. Thank you. And head. Nice. And back pocket. And head. Last one, I'm back pocket. And head. Nice. Hiya!
That's a session on its own.
So the bad news, my friend, is it gets harder from here.
It gets harder.
Yeah. Because at the end of the day, when I work with different people, you know, can you imagine that some people come to see me, and their problems occur because they're sitting at a computer all day long?
Yes, I remember. Yeah.
So other people like you, your problem comes because turn to the side for me. Because you're pushing your body. You know, so we have to work towards getting you to push your body the right way. Yeah. So you'll see like there I'm being very specific with that movement. And I don't know if you felt that as you did the one movement, it resets itself.
Oh, that's what we're after. That was amazing.
Yeah. Good. This one comes to here. Okay. This one comes to here. Bend this leg for me. Good. You won't fall off my bed, I promise. Good. Soft. Beautiful. Thank you. There he is. Good. Onto your back for me. Now, I'll tell you the honest truth. Some people, they're not interested to be specific. Yeah. They want to just train generalized. You with me? Yeah. I mean, if you've done bodybuilding before, you know that you don't get to that level without being specific. Yeah. You know, I can't just go to the gym and say, okay, come on, and lift a couple of these, do maybe a couple of those, and then all of a sudden I'm there.
No, you got to be intentional.
Yeah, intentional. Thank you. That's the word. So what you will see is our level of intentionality will increase over the next 12 weeks based on how you challenge your body. You challenge your body the wrong way, well, then it's wrong. You challenge your body the right way, we have to find those small little corrections. But to put that in place, that's where the results come from. Bring your chin to your chest. Nice. And release it. Thank you. Release. And release. Now you know why most of the time when I do that adjustment, I'm from this side. Because I'm trying to get you to come this way.
That's what I mean. Okay, I see.
Yeah. As they say in taxi terminology, we're going to do a short lift.
It is, no, that's true.
Good. Lift your head for me. Thank you. And releasing. There it is. Gotcha. Beautiful. And this morning when I got up, it was actually proper chilly, and I was like, man, another cold day. And now it's hot.
Now it's hot and humid.
Yeah.
But there's rain up until like Thursday.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for a swim this afternoon when I get
Yeah,
up.
it's so nice and
Lift your head for me. Drop your head. Thank you. Thank you. There it is. Nice and easy. Last one. Nice. This one. Beautiful.
Oh, that crack is so beautiful.
Hey, remember, we don't call it a crack. We call it a reset. Eh?
Oh, resets.
Yeah. Resets.
Oh, you guys work like Steven Seagal.
So each week you increase your training.
Okay.
Each week that I see you, I either give you the thumbs up that you can increase your training, or I say to you just keep it at a level, or I say to you no, we have to bring it down again.
Okay.
Right? That's going to depend on obviously how well you use your body, and obviously whatever I've taught you, how well it's linking in.
Okay.
Okay? Nice. Good. 1, 2, 3, up you come.
Okay.
So, your homework. You're going to sit here facing me. Feet on the floor. Right? Sitting up tall. This hand off to the side.
Oh.
Yeah, just here.
Oh,
Good.
okay.
So what I want you to do is I want you to see if you can touch the floor with those fingertips. Yes. Good. And up you come from.
Okay.
Now,
Without falling.
without falling. What you want to do is you want to then brace with the other foot. So I don't know if you felt how this foot lifted up.
Yes.
So push that foot into the floor while you're doing that.
Okay.
And obviously you're going to do this on the bench press bench.
Okay.
Good. And come back out. What point do you get to there where you lose your balance? That's the point that you're comparing to this side. So now you're going to go this side.
I see what you mean.
So that side, you can go a long way.
Oh, yes.
That's because your center of gravity is that side.
Okay.
So I want you to challenge the center of gravity this side. But you're going to say, but it's my right shoulder. I said, I don't care. We want to go this way. This movement here has got to be the same as this one.
Because I'm going further.
You went not further.
Yeah.
And you didn't even have to lift the leg.
Yeah.
So you're going to do this as much as you can.
Okay.
You got it?
Thank you so much.
Only my pleasure.
Okay, that was beautiful.
All right.
Yeah.